A lot of investors have written to us asking us to explain our elevated cash levels in the portfolio right now. So let me explain the portfolio process so that investors can understand why the portfolio team is sitting on almost 30% cash in the portfolio right now. First of all, the portfolio team does not take a call on the cash levels in the fund. It is primarily a residual output of the process that we follow. So each analyst covers about 15 to 20 stocks, and in a coverage universe we have close to 150 to 200 stocks which we actively cover. Each stock will have a predetermined buy and sell limit based on long-term earnings potential as well as long-term valuation bands. When the stock hits a buy limit, it comes into the portfolio, and if the stock hits a sell limit, it goes out of the portfolio. If we are happy with the existing position that we have in the portfolio where sell limits have not been triggered, and if there are no alternatives available, whatever remains is cash. In the last 6 months, the markets have rallied close to 50%, because of which a lot of sell limits have been triggered, because of which the portfolio team has had to exit quite a few stocks. Unfortunately, there are very few alternatives available, and we are happy with the existing position that we have in the portfolio of stocks that we have. Hence, whatever has stocks which have been sold, given that the lack of alternatives have gone into cash and the cash levels in the fund have risen. We don't know how long this phase will last. Markets don't have to correct just because we believe the markets are expensive. In case there is an event where markets correct again, we will go ahead and buy the stocks that we want to buy at the valuation that we are comfortable at. But we will not risk client capital chasing momentum stocks, because we think valuations right now are expensive and do not justify holding these stocks in the portfolio.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.